Assalamu alaikum class 2 day 12. Open your English A notebook. Write date CW day unit number 3 lesson number 1 page number 18 exercise B. Look at the picture. The witch is preparing a stew. She is adding a spider. A frog is jumping out from the stew. She added dog's tails, cups of water, salt, frog's eyes, green snakes, parrot claws. She added all these things in her stew. Okay, now answer the question. Look, first question is, where does the witch live? She lives in a castle. What is she cooking? She is cooking a stew. What is she putting in her stew? A spider. And what is jumping out? A frog. I'm writing the fifth question at the top of the board. Write answer 5. Question and answer both on a new page if you don't have space in the first page. Is she happy or sad? She mean which? Yes, she is happy. Note down these questions in your notebook. Also learn them.